What up, MCG family? This is Calvin with the MuscleCarGang, back with another exciting video. Today, I'm gonna be checking out that sweet Nova behind us. And by the way, guys, thank you for subscribing and Happy New Year's. So I had some guys in the MCG family asking me, have you came across any beautiful Novas yet? Big Nova fans on the channel, so I welcome you. So yes, today I'm gonna be taking a look at one back here. And it's a 1970 Nova, and that baby is nasty. And it got the juice, so that baby is spraying NOS. So let's check it out. Yes, beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful paint job on it. Smooth. One thing I enjoy about my guys here, they actually take pretty good care of the cars here. All cars go through a paint correction, deep detailing on the cars. They do a great multi-checkpoint system on the cars to make sure everything checks out. And this Nova is beautiful. I love the wheel combination, it goes well with the car. The stance looks amazing. What size wheels are these? These are 215 45 18s. These look nice. Dashboard looks solid. Nice size lip on the back. Ooh, the juice, baby. Look at that juice. Has a digital dash in it. Interior looks solid. Sounds good. Hood pins. Now I'm gonna have to find out what size engine is this. If you go down into the notes, I'm gonna have it there. Some nice size hitters. Quite sure it's pretty powerful. It's no power steering. So what we're gonna do, if you are a Nova fan, drop it in the comments. So what we got here, we have a Cobra. Look at this bad boy. Now you guys have seen the video, it's on the page. I did a video of this 442. It's an original car. It's on the page, so just go up or stroll or check up in the corner and check it out. It's a very, very beautiful car. And as I said before, they do a paint correction on every car that comes in here. And they have a range of cars here, and they take care of all of them. So if you're looking for a solid car that's treated right, look at Collectible Motor Cars of Atlanta. All right, guys, so that was a slight tour of what they have in store. So what I want you to do, if you've seen anything you like, be sure to comment below. Make sure you smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button, guys. We got more coming, more collaboration, more partnerships coming. So I want you guys to be a part of the channel's growth. And let me know what you think. Till next time, peace, guys.